Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change your language on Interactive Brokers website. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so it's actually pretty simple. So I'm on this reputable website. It's Interactive Brokers actual website. It's their guide section. So you can change the display language in compliance portal using the language menu located at the top right of the screen. To change the display language, just log in into compliance portal, click the globe icon located at the top right of the screen, and then the settings language settings appear. Click the language to which you want to switch the display to. A message will appear in two languages, the original language and the newly selected language, like this. So click the green check mark to save your changes and dismiss the message. If you change your mind, however, just click the red X and your changes will not be saved after the and the display language will remain unchanged. So just click the green button if you want to change the language and this red X button if you want to keep your current language. So yeah guys, it's that simple. This is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.